Patricia from the Southwest Yankee. What some middle-aged women will do. Crackles! The saga continues. Light moment. The messenger with light in their eyes brings joy to the heart. And good news brings health to the bones. Proverbs 15:30. So, that's a little shout out to the smiling eyes. Still got So, I was coming out of the gym and I found some Crackles. So there'll be a panoramic pictures that will be shown in this montage of the Crackles. And then we'll have the picture of the one, which the video I told earlier about the train tracks and the bridge going over them, has that one lone one. Because, you know, I don't think many trees last down here in the 115 degree weather. But, so, I will be showing the panoramic view. So remember to subscribe for all these updates on the Crackles, and maybe we'll throw in some vultures. I'm trying to get some more pictures of them. They're awesome. They're so cool. So subscribe. See you later. Bye.